Namaskar friends, welcome to another informative video by Books and Brain. In this video, we will explore the beautiful city of Karnataka, Belgaum, also known as Belagavi. You may not find a few facts anywhere else, which we share here, about this vibrant city of Karnataka, so please don't miss it. The historical significance of Belgaum is deeply rooted in its strategic location, serving as a crossroads for various empire and dynasties throughout the centuries. Its historic Belgaum fort, originally built by the Ratta dynasty in the 13th century and later fortified by the Bahmani Sultanate, stands as a testament to its historical importance. Over the years, Belgaum has witnessed the influence of Marathas, the British, and the freedom movement, making it a storage of historical narratives and cultural combination. Belgaum is located in the northern part of Karnataka along the western Ghats. The government of Karnataka has proposed making Belgaum the second capital of Karnataka alongside Bangalore, hence a second state administrative building, Suvarna Vidhana Saudha, was inaugurated on the 11th of October 2012. It is the fifth major city of Karnataka after Bengaluru, Mangaluru, Mysuru, and Hubli Dharwar. It has been selected as one of the 100 Indian cities to be developed as a smart city under the Smart Cities mission. Belgaum is well connected to many major cities of Karnataka and India through road, rail and air. The Belgaum Airport is the oldest in North Karnataka, and the fourth busiest airport in the state, after Bengaluru, Mangaluru and Hubli Dharwar. Education in Belgaum has undergone significant growth, with a range of educational institutions, catering to diverse fields of study. The city is home to well-established schools, colleges, and universities, including the prestigious Vishweshwaraya Technological University, Rani Chennamma University, KLE Institute of Medical Sciences, and Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College. Belgaum's educational landscape continues to evolve, making it a promising destination for students seeking quality education in various disciplines. The economy of Belgaum is characterized by a diverse industrial base, with sectors such as manufacturing, agriculture, and services contributing significantly to its growth. As per the Economic Survey 2022-23, Belgaum as a district ranks third in the GDP in Karnataka state, after Bangalore urban and Dakshina Kannada districts. It contributes nearly 4.2% to Karnataka's GDP. The service sector contributes majorly to Belgaum's GDP with 52%, followed by the agriculture and industrial sectors, which contribute 26% and 22% respectively. The city's strategic location, on the border of Karnataka and Maharashtra, has made it a vital trade hub, enriching commerce and trade activities. A 300-acre India's first private aerospace SEZ is being set up along the Pune-Bangalore National Highway, NH4, to cater to the precision engineering requirements of the global aerospace, automotive and industrial verticals. Cultural diversity in Belgaum is captivating, from various regional influences, primarily Kannada and Marathi cultures. This unique blend is evident in the city's festivals, languages spoken, and culinary traditions, creating a harmonious coexistence of different cultural aspects. Belgaum offers plenty of tourist attractions, including the historic Belgaum Fort, a symbol of the city's rich past. Nature enthusiasts can explore the serene Vijaypur Falls and the lush Jambuti Forest, while the serene Gokak Falls and the spiritual military Mahadev Temple are also popular destinations. Kapileshwar Temple, Kamal Basti, Fort Lake, Khade Bazaar, Yellur Fort are a few major tourist attractions. Belgaum Cuisine is a mouth-watering fusion of flavors influenced by both Kannada and Marathi culinary traditions. It is renowned for dishes like Jolada roti or Jwar roti, and the flavorful enne gai, a spicy stuffed brinjal curry. Typical breakfast items include puri bhaji, idli dosa, upit or upma, shira, sabudana khichdi and sabu vada. Belgaum is known for Kunda, a milk-based sweet, hence the city is also sometimes called Kunda Nagari. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed it throughout. If you liked our efforts, please hit the like button, kindly subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Take care.